everybody, I'm here today with a video on the ukulele F chord. I'll specifically be showing you how to play the F chord on the ukulele, and this will be a tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. The F chord is one of the easier chords to learn how to play. It's not very easy like some other chords, okay? These are super easy chords to learn how to play. This is a relatively easy chord to learn how to play. The only difficult thing about it is that you have to have an open string between your fingers, but it's not difficult. It's just more that you have to curve those fingers a little bit better. So very easy to learn how to play the F chord. What you're going to do is the top string right here is going to be pressed down on the second fret. So for your top string, you're pressing down on the second fret. Second string from the top is ringing open. Third string from the top is being pressed down on the first fret. And fourth string from the top or bottom string is ringing open. I'm going to show you how to do this with your fingers. This is my recommendation. You could do this however you want to, but I'm using my finger positioning in the way that they're meant to be used. Basically, my middle finger is to this direction of this finger. So any higher fret number should be done with the middle finger as opposed to the index finger, because a second fret is easier to press with my middle finger if I'm going on the first fret with my index finger, because of the way that the fingers are positioned, right? It would be hard for me to do something like this, right? My fingers are crossed. It doesn't work too well. So instead, I have my middle finger on the top string on the second fret, pressing down nice and firmly, and then my index finger on the first fret of the third string, pressing down firmly. So middle finger, top string, second fret, okay? Index finger, third string from the top, okay? Third string from the top, first fret, just like that. Just to show you, and I'm curving my fingers nicely so they're not interfering with any of the other strings. And your second string from the top and your bottom string are ringing openly and freely, and this is what you get. Perfect F chord. That's it. It's literally that simple. And then you can practice releasing it, putting your fingers back into position rather quickly. Release it, back into position rather quickly. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow you to use the F chord while switching chords for a song, a tune, or melody. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.